Hello everyone, as you can see we've got the GoPro 10 in front of us and I'm going to set it up for the first time. We're going to do this together. I've never done this with the 10. In my previous video I did an unboxing which I'll include up there. So what we're going to do is go through the setup process. The card that came with it basically said your camera must be updated before you can use it. So let's go ahead and see what the update process is like. So let's go ahead and open this guy up. Insert the card. And I'm just using a small 32 gig card just because that's what came with the GoPro, with the bundle that I purchased. Insert the battery. That's in there. And see if we've got enough power or if I need to plug that in. So let's go ahead and plug. GoPro's coming up here. English. Sure, I agree to all of that. On. And as you can see, must be updated. All right, so let's go ahead and turn on the phone. Let's go to cameras. There's my 8. Let's go ahead and add a camera here. Found our GoPro. Let's go ahead and pair it. Pair. And we're doing this in real time. I'll do my best not to cut this in any way so you can actually see what kind of time we're looking at for this process. Lost connection. All right. Try that again, maybe. Interesting. Well, let's see what happens here, and that's why I'm doing this video. All right, so let's go ahead and try that one more time. Let's go this way, and if this doesn't work, we will lost connection again. All right, let's go ahead and close the app. Go back into it. And if this doesn't work, what we'll do is restart the GoPro as well. No camera found this time. Interesting. All right, so let's go ahead and power it off. We'll say English, we agree, and that's on. Okay, let's go ahead and go to the quick app. Go to add. Pair. That's a good sound. All right, not sure why it had that problem, but there we go. All right, so connected. We're gonna go ahead and install the update. See what happens here. We'll go ahead and install that update. Yeah, we'll read through all that, sure. And there we go. And while I'm going through this, if you have any questions, make sure to ask down below. And if you're liking the video, give it a thumbs up as well. And since I have time while this is going, if you don't already subscribe to the channel, I invite you to do so. And almost there. Updating. Looking good. All right, update is complete. So we'll do let's go. Let's see what happens here as we're connecting. All right, so let's go ahead and connect. Joining the network. So as you can see, everything is connected and updated. So happy with that. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front-facing camera. Hey, there I am, look at that. So what we'll do, future videos, we'll take a closer look at the GoPro, and also we will also, you know, obviously take some videos with the GoPro and take a closer look at it as well. So with that, if you have any questions, make sure to ask down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't already subscribe to the channel and want to see more GoPro related videos, as well as anything else that a professional geek might find interesting, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. And with that, have a great day.